Happy greetings to all. I am Raja Kirti Veda. I am studying to see. I am 10th. The story is Sabi loves P2 Talva. Sabi loves P2 Talva. He gets some P2 see.